Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Noluva BreathLink. And as you can see right here, it is actually a device that will help you quit smoking or vaping. So as you can see, you can choose from different colors here, and it's actually buy one take one right now. So you can choose from silver, gold, rose gold, and black, however you'd like. And it's basically you just put it on your neck, just basically a necklace. However, you can also remove it if you don't like it. So since this is a small device or a small metal, it's better to put it around your neck and wear it as like a necklace so that it won't get lost. And basically there's no smoke, you just inhale it, and it basically will just give you the same sensation as you are when you're smoking a cigarette or inhaling a vape. So it will help you get rid of those constant cravings that for the feeling you get when you hit or take a smoke or something. So actually, when we go on over here to Trustpilot, they're rated 2.5 out of 5-star reviews, and many people are saying for the 5 stars, they're saying that it's really helpful for them. However, all these 1 stars are saying that they haven't received anything yet. So basically, the device itself actually works. However, many people are stating that they're only giving 1 star since they never received it. So you can order this at your own risk. So if it arrives to you, then that's great. If it doesn't, well, you just got scammed. So please order this with caution or at your own risk. So that is it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.